Alright, this video will serve as my entry into Panda-Frog's giveaway. He's doing this giveaway to celebrate the upcoming birth of his son, Mini Panda-Frog. Congratulations, by the way. He's asked each of us to pick a lock on camera. We'll be getting to that shortly. He's also asked each of us to make a guess as to the birth date, birth weight, and length of his son. Each of those three guesses, whoever is closest will get one of the 4 packages that he's put together of locks. The 4th package will go to a randomly selected person. He's also asked for a preference as to which lock we would really want to have. My preference isn't very strong, but I would prefer the Kaba Star over the Kaba 8. But again, not very strong. Alright, let's go ahead and get to picking the lock. We're going to do this Master Lock 410 lockout tagout lock. This one, as you can see, is beaten to hell because I actually took it apart. I have 3 of these because I have 3 that are keyed alike, and I want to repin 2 of them so that I have variation while I'm practicing. So this one is broken apart. I've not yet repinned it, but I figured we'll go ahead and gut it while we're doing this. So let's go ahead and clamp this up. I need to clamp it really tight because that crack there, picks like to fall into it. I've already tried a little bit and it made it really hard. Alright, so I'm going to use Sparrow's Top the Keyway and Dangerfield Praxis DeForest Diamond in 23 thousandths. Can't get that to focus. Well, it's close enough. Alright. So, alright, starting from the back. 6 is binding. Okay, click and falset. 5 is binding. Click back into falset. There was counter rotation on that. I think I'm on 4 counter rotation and back into my falset. Oh, that may have been 3. Feels like, yeah, 4. Counter rotation on 4. I got back into my falset and just tapped 1, and I'm not sure if, yeah, 1 back into my falset after some counter rotation. Let's go back to back. Okay, 6 is back down, counter rotation, and there's an open. Alright, so let's get this vise out of the way. And get my pinning tray ready. Alright. So there we go. So you can see the actuator and the ball bearings. Let's take this core out of here. I've not yet done this. Alright, let's see if this, it's a little bit large to pop this off. I might need to use picks to yeah. Something I did not show was the key for this, and let's not block that so you can see the bitting there. And it does function. Let me grab my pick again and see if we can pop that off. I need something stronger than that to pop that. Let's get a sparrow's knife. This is the part where I stab my hand, I think. There we go. Let's get that out of the way. Okay. So let's look at this. And I've got my follower here. Sorry about that. Okay. So pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, let's see if I can. And I was looking at my screen and not the lock, so I just popped. I can see which order they're in. This one was 2. Yeah, that was a nice fail. 3, and then this last one was pin 1. Let's switch to the other side and not watch through the screen this time. There we go. So this one is pin 6. 5 and 4. And then this isn't modified, so I'm just going to dump all the springs. They're getting caught up in the bottom here. There we go. So let's orient these. And oh, this is what I'm looking for. All right, let's see if we can get this to focus here. So we've got serrated on 2, and then spools on all the others. All of the key pins are standard. No modification to the core there. And that's it.